Ranveer Singh has a huge female fan following and he never disappoints to leave them impressed. Recently, Ranveer was spotted Dance Deewane Jr.'s set where he was mobbed by many female followers. He could be seen posing and clicking photos with them. Later, Ranveer joins them for an impromptu dance. Ranveer Singh broke into an impromptu dance session as he met his female fans. He was seen hugging them and clicking selfies outside the sets of Dance Deewane Jr.'s. Meanwhile, Ranveer Singh's Jayeshbhai Jordaar will have a theatrical release on May 13, 2022. In the film, Ranveer plays the role of a Gujarati man named Jayeshbhai Patel married to Mudra Patel, played by Shalini, who fights to save the life of his unborn girl child. News Desk.